So, my brother's gonna be riding dirt bike. It's a 70, so he's gonna go do something. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you the dirt bike. It's a 70 Chinese. Is one. I mean, I like it and stuff, but yeah. And then there's Carson. I mean, heck, got all the land on planet Earth. But yeah. So let's go. Let's wait until he gets on their bike and we'll videotape him. She has something metal.
And there is Alexa.
There is Alexa with her tablet. Okay, so let's do this.
Drop it down.
He's getting all the dirt bike stuff good.
Yeah, this is called a redneck invention right here, boys.
Yeah, our kickstand's
like
grip.
me better than they like you people.
Probably. Hey, this is my first video.
I don't give you any excuses, boy. You gotta be born YouTuber. Right, guys?
So, yeah, my sister is also doing a YouTube video.
Your cousin.
It's a vlog. Well, a vlog. And so, yeah. But, so, yeah. Well, so, it's already been 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Floor's lava!
Oh, crap, floor's lava.
Ground lava!
Woo! It's winter. Here we go. Yeah.
Yeah, don't even make me like that.
So here we go. Let's get him started.
I'm already tearing stuff up.
Yeah, holy crap. He's already tearing stuff up. Let him get started.
Hey, meet me off the road, buddy.
Okay. There he is. Here he comes. Here comes Carson. Let's get out of his way.
My shoes are soaked. Oh my God, this is slick. Look at this road, guys. Down the road.
Okay, here he goes. Here he goes. Let's go. You probably can't see that well. Zoom in. There he goes. We're gonna try to catch up with them. Here he comes back. Ready?
Hey guys, welcome back to my first ever vlog. There's my other brother on his bike. I can zoom in for you. There he goes. Right through the water. Right through the mud. There his nose. My brother is also doing his vlog on his phone's He's doing his burnout.
Here he goes.
Do a donut! Do a donut!
Hey, come back here and I'll do a burnout. Come back in the field. Come on.
Now we're gonna go back.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put. There it is, guys. It's probably a little bit blurry cause we're running.
Don't videotape stuff you.
Here we go. Yep. No.
Come on, bro.
No.
Oh my God. I did all that.
Powerful little thing.
Look at that hole right there, bro.
Dad is going to put these vlogging on his Hey Logan, I need to know these shoes and stuff, by the way.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go in. We are back. We are back. We are not inside yet, but we are. So we have we're gonna cameraman. We're gonna camera him again doing a wheelie.
And it just shut off on him.
The piece of junk just shut
My
off.
brother walking on his.
Oh my gosh. My sister. Oh my gosh. Okay, so everything's not doing all right, but so yeah. Tuck, tuck, tucker.
Tucker, 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 tucker. Tucker, 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 tucker. We're gonna go in and we will be back in 3, 2, 1. We're back. Okay, we are. Even though I am in my school shoes, I'm still gonna do it. Never mind, I'm not gonna do it. Okay. It's Falcon Drive actually.
Yeah.
It's Flamingo Lane. This is pretty much Animal World, Flamingo Lane,
And Falcon
and
Drive.
Falcon Drive. The heck? Okay. Alright, going in. We'll be back in 3, 2. Okay. Sorry about that. 1. Yeah. We're back in the room. Hey, film me.
Okay.
Back in the room and we're just playing around in here.
Yeah.
Had a fun time out in the snow. But
Yeah.
we're just going.
Um.
Hey guys,
we-
welcome back to my vlog. There's my brother.
My son, come snowball fight.
No. We just came in.
See, these kids only do stay inside these days.
Hey guys, we should actually do that and then vlog it. Vlogging. What if it hits the camera though? I don't want the people to get hit with the snow. No, it would be cool though because like it looked like we actually have excitement instead of.
Bro, we just came in from. We're pretty much outside 24/7.
Yeah, I'll go outside and do a vlog. In our next vlog, which is gonna be like in 5 minutes.
Bro, I just got changed. Like, bro, I'm waiting for people to come over and stuff. I mean, heck, I have my shirt off right now and some shorts. I don't feel like going.
It'll look cool. It'll look like a cool vlog. Like in our next video or next vlog, it'll be a freaking surprise for you guys. I know it's gonna be like in 10 to 20 minutes though. Wait, I'm just saying I'm my friend, but my friend is that kid. That kid, that sexy day he calls himself, and that woman. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just kidding. By the way, like I was saying, our surprise is